Greetings and welcome to the Archives Research Center of the Atlanta University Center Robert W. Woodruff Library. This video will show how to request materials from the Archives Finding Aids website. From the Archives Research Center homepage, navigate to the Finding Aids homepage by clicking on the search button in the Search Collections box. On the Archives Finding Aids homepage, search for the materials related to your topic. Remember to use quotations, asterisks, and advanced searches to limit your results. After clicking on an item that you wish to view during your visit to the archives, a screen similar to this one will appear. You will see the name of the item, as well as information about the item and the collection it belongs to. In the top right-hand corner, you will see several buttons. One of those buttons is the Request button. This button allows you to request to see this item during your appointment in the archives. Click on the Request button and your screen should look like this one here. You will see instructions on how to fill out the form, as well as information on the hours of the Archives Research Center. For requesting materials, we ask that you fill out the name, email address, anticipated arrival date, and anticipated arrival time fields. The note to staff is optional, but please feel free to add any information you feel is necessary for your appointment. For name, include your first and last names. For email address, it can be school, work, or personal. For anticipated arrival date, include the month and day. For anticipated arrival time, include the time you wish to make your appointment for. After filling out the form, click Request. The following message will appear. Thank you. Your request has been submitted. You will soon receive an email with a copy of your request. You should receive a copy of your request in your email. In the archives, we will receive a copy of your request and will respond using the email provided. We will either confirm your appointment or ask for additional information. You can use this request button to request up to 10 items to view from the archives. If you would like to request more than 10, we ask that you email or call us with the collection names and box numbers, which can be found here, and the time and date you want to make your appointment for, rather than fill out a request form for all items. You can only request to view materials during the hours that the archives are open. During the semester, we are open Mondays through Thursdays, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m., Fridays, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturdays, noon to 5 p.m. Note that Saturday appointments must be scheduled by 5 p.m. of the Thursday prior. Our hours do change during the summer and various times of the year, and if the time you requested is not available, we will respond and let you know. We hope that this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at archives@auctr.edu.